Hey Randy, it's Steph Ross here. I thought I would video this so that you could see what's going on. So I went in and I hit login and I logged in, and now I'm going to go to register now. And I've already signed up for Shay, so now I'm going to go down to Sophie and see what is available for her. Um, oh, let's go back. So it looks like for Soph, I'm going to try to go over to Lincoln. So I have no farm league, but what I'll do is sign up for I'll sign up for Bristol just because I know that the fee is $35. And then but we'll be actually playing in Lincoln. So there's that, continue. But that's what it looks like from my end. And then I'll fill all of this in and send it to you, and you can adjust. But that's what it looked like anyway. So good luck, and thanks for all your work with this.